in there, of course, quite a few. Bloody hell. What do you think he was doing?
When I was 17, 23, I wished I was 85. It'd be statistics. Because I hate your guy.
I think maybe I'm an idealist. I'm a little bit more optimistic. I do look. Our country has gone. Hard times. You look at the Civil War. You look at World
What are you doing?
Like we have lived in our own gilded age in a sense. We're now seeing chaos and all that. However, our country has survived.
You wanker.
Get off road, you Was he right or what?
I got a video.
Absolute wanker. Bin it, you bellend. Who's pipping there?
Brilliant.
Taking the racing line, huh, Mr. Picasso? That's how you end up going head on with people.
Yep. Whoa. Fuck. Shit me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Jesus.
Whoa, where did he come from? Oh, let me guess. He's going off that slip road.
Yeah, but there's no need to be. What's a prat?
What an utter idiot.
You just stayed where you were.
Oh, last minute decision that you want the M1, not the A453.
That's that thing.
It's always.
I gotta say, the only thing that they really needed to do on that island was change.
What? Yeah. Yeah.
Was change.
What's that? What's he saying? Yeah, he's not even allowed on the short carriageway. No. Now he's on the bloody roundabout. You're on the wrong side of the road. There is a whole bus lane the other side of the road going the right way that you should be using.
While leaflets warning against using racist language will be given out to pro-Palestinian.
Ta-da! And I clearly wasn't, that was wrong. So then I had to go through MFA.
What a dick.
I had to go through MFA and
You twat. Oh, not you as well, you mini moron.
So these fools do not know you can go in the bus lane. If you'd have got in the bus lane to start with, which you can be, if Porsches are your thing, this is the night of the year. This one is a Rover 12 Tourer, allegedly one of only about 200 ever made. One of the more elegant Fords. This one is a Granada 2.8 gear. And next to it, sublime to the ridiculous, we have an early TVR.
oh, is that the nice one?
That's
The
the
new
one.
electric? Oh, it's a tiny van. Tiny lorry, sorry.
It's not the size, it's what you do with it. Gross. Oh, lovely. Charming.